Your Storm Shield forecast, only on Fox 47 News.
Well, Caleb, the temperature has really taken a dip in the past 24 hours. Freezing.
Well, yeah, I mean, absolutely. It was definitely a chilly weekend for us following what we had above average warmth. So it definitely felt colder for us here this weekend. And right now it's chilly. Looking outside the studio right now, we're at 27 degrees. We have this thick low cloud deck that just refuses to leave us here. That low cloud deck did keep us on the cool side today and tonight. As long as it stays above us, it's going to keep us from getting too chilly out there. But right now our temperatures, we're at 28 degrees in St. John's, 27 in Lansing, 26 in Mason and Jackson, 25 degrees in Hillsdale. Our forecast for tonight, temperatures don't fall off all that much more. We're going to see lows, though, getting into the low 20s. Mostly cloudy skies. It is going to be a cold night for us. There's a slight chance that some of us pick up a few flurries, especially in our western counties. For the most part, though, most of us are going to stay dry out there. Our temperature trend, average right now, we should be in the upper 30s. This weekend, we've kind of been flirting around that mark, though today we only got into the upper 20s. Tomorrow, 35, Tuesday, 39. This is when we start our warm-up. Look at this. Wednesday, 44. Thursday, the warmest day, 47 degrees, and we're staying in the 40s at least through Saturday before we do cool back down heading into the second half of the coming weekend. Now, our satellite and radar, just to show you guys the setup right now, we do have this upper level ridge of high pressure out to the west, dry conditions and warmer air surging northward. But for us here in the Great Lakes region towards New England, we are in this upper level trough of low pressure. So we have cloudy skies and we have cooler temperatures on the western edge of this trough tonight. We are going to see a weak impulse kind of drop north to south. That is going to keep us with these cloudy skies. And again, it could touch off a couple flurries for us. But as I zoom in a little bit more here, you can see some snow showers moving north to south offshore of Lake Michigan. Once the winds shift to the northwest, we could see some of these, again, coming this way. But for the most part, not a bad night for us. Most of us are going to stay dry. And if you do see any snow, it's just going to be a few flurries here and there. Now, today's high temperatures, we got to 28 in Lansing, not too high. 28 in Mason and Jackson, 26 in Hillsdale, 30 degrees in Adrian. Zooming out here, you can see where the warm air was. It was out to the west, where I showed you guys that upper level ridge of high pressure drawing that warmer air northward. Got to 58 in North Platte, 53 up in Billings. And that warmer air is coming this way, but again, we're not going to be quite that warm. I don't anticipate 50s by the time that gets to us. Now, looking at our future track forecast here overnight, we're going to keep these mostly cloudy skies. Temperatures getting down into the low to mid 20s. And you can see some of those snow showers coming this way, but for the most part, they're staying away from us. Tomorrow features a mix of sun and clouds, but more in the way of cloudiness, much like today was. Some of that stubborn low cloud deck out there. Temperatures getting into the mid 30s. We stay cloudy, then heading into the overnight hours, Monday night into Tuesday morning. Tuesday will start off chilly once again, low to mid 20s. And you can see more clouds just coming this way. We're kind of going to be the battleground between clouds and sun for the next few days here before that ridge of high pressure does finally build back in. Now, looking at our next 7 days, not a bad forecast at all for the next work week. We're going to see a lot of sunshine, especially by Wednesday and Thursday. That's when the warm-up starts too. 44 for Wednesday, 47 degrees on Thursday. But things start to change on Friday. We'll see our clouds thicken back up, mostly cloudy, a high of 44 degrees. And then we are going to see a pretty potent system move this way. It's going to lift northward right through the Dakotas here. And as it moves northeast, you can see that warm front lifts through Michigan. And then rainfall arrives. This is Saturday morning, 2 o'clock here. You can see some heavy rain falling kind of on and off throughout the day. Once that cold front moves through, we're going to see much cooler air wrap in behind that low, and that'll transition our precipitation to more in the way of snow showers. And those will kind of stick with us then throughout the day on Sunday, just kind of on and off snow showers coming off Lake Michigan. And then we're going to see, again, after this really tranquil, benign stretch of weather, it's going to turn more active. So Maureen, my advice would just be to enjoy the week of nice weather here before we turn active next weekend.